Assalamu alaikum students. Today I'm here to discuss some concepts about square and square roots. This is a chapter of class 8. It includes in term first examination. So let us start with the square numbers. Square of a number is the self multiplication of a number two times. Let us take an example of natural numbers. Natural number starts with 1 and goes up to infinity. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so on are the natural numbers. Let us take the square of these numbers. 1 into 1 gives me 1 square, 2 into 2 gives me 2 square, and 3 into 3 gives me 3 square, so on. So square is the self multiplication of a number two times. Let us discuss some properties of a square, perfect square numbers. Property first, a number ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 is never a perfect square number. Property second, a number ending in an odd number of zeros is never a perfect square number. Property third, a square of an even number is always even. Property 4, square of an odd number is always odd. Property 5, for every natural number n, we have sum of first n odd numbers is n square. For every natural number m greater than 0, we have a Pythagorean triplet, and that is 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. Let us discuss these properties. Let us take an example of any number, say 23. This number ends with 3. Here we say that the numbers ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8 are never a perfect square number. So this is not a perfect square number. Let us take in another example, 28. This number again ends with the 8. So this is not a perfect square number. Let us take another example, say 25. Here 5 is not included. So this number is a perfect square number. Take another example of 49. Here 9 is not included. So this is also a perfect square number. Let us discuss another property, that is a number ending in an odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. Take an example of 10. It includes only one zero, so this is not a perfect square number. Let us take an example of 100. It includes even number of zeros, so this is a perfect square number. Let us take another example, say 1000. Again, zeros are not in pair, so this is not a perfect square number. Let us take another example, that is 10,000. Here zeros are in pair, so this is a perfect square number. Another property is a square of an even number is always even. Let us take an example of any even number, say 4. So take a square of a 4, and that is 4 into 4, that gives me 16. If 4 is even, then its square is also even. Take an example of an odd number, which is another property. Say 3. 3 is odd number, so its square is also odd. 3 into 3 gives me 9. 9 is also odd number. So now I'm going to discuss exercise 6.3. Here we have to find the square of any number. Let us take an example of 23. I have to find the square of this number. I have to find square of this number. So I can use three methods to find the square of this number. First method is I directly multiply 32 into 32. 32 into 32 gives me the result. Say 32 into 33. 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, 9, 12, 1 carry 5. This is the square of the 23. Another method is 23, 20. I can use another method to find the square of 23, and that is 20. I break the 23 into 20 and 3, and 20 plus 3 gives me 23, and I can apply formula here, a plus b whole square, and that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 3. So in expanded form, I have to write here 20 square plus b is 3 square plus 2ab, 2 into 20 into 3. So here comes 0, 0, 2 square is 4 plus 3, 3 are 9 plus 20 into 2 gives me 40, and 40 into 3 gives me 3 0 are 0, 3 4 are 12, that is 120. Now I have to add up these three numbers, 400 plus 120 plus 9, and that gives me 529. Again the answer is same. I have to use another method here, 20 plus 3 whole square, that is 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. Now I have to multiply with 20 plus 3, plus I have to multiply 3 with 20 plus 3. So 20 into 20 gives me 400, plus 20 into 3 gives me 3 0 0, 3 2 are 6, plus again 3 into 20 gives me 0 into 3 is 0, 2 3 are 6, plus 3. 400 plus 60 plus 60 is 120, plus 3. 400 plus 120 plus 3 gives me 3 2 रुक जा